Hello and welcome to the Adventures in Identifying Plant Structures Biology class. First thing I'm going to be showing you right here is the modified stem type thorns. These are utilized to prevent herbivory because, as you can see here, because I foolishly show you how it works, thorns are sharp and they hurt. Don't touch them. Next, I tried to show you a tree's prop root system. Unfortunately, my fingers were in front of the camera the whole time, so there also weren't prop roots. But the next thing I'm going to show you are the modified root anchor roots. These plants right here use their anchor roots to hold on to this fence. As you'll soon see, I'm approaching it for dramatic effect. Doesn't always do a good job. Some of these roots are not clinging to anything. But if you look down this way, move the camera please. If you look down this way, you'll see that sometimes it does do a good job. So that's what the anchor roots do. The names are pretty self-explanatory. Now, being stuck in this fenced-in area, I thought I was going to be a little bit hard-pressed to find all these things. But then I struck gold because as I'm scouring around looking for things, I noticed that there are a wealth of conifer cones over here. This one's a female, but I'm not going to look at that one because there is a female and male cone right over here. Right here. Now, the female cones are the big ones that are open because they can accept the pollen from the male cones. And the male cone, so here's me looking at the female cone. And the male cone is the smaller, slimmer, quote-unquote closed ones. And those ones house all the pollen in each of their little closed scales, and they get dispersed through the wind. Finally, I'm going to do a little bit of a 2-for-1 special, show you an angiosperm flower with a taproot system. Dandelions are famous for their yellow flowers that turn into little white fluffy things. They are an angiosperm because they are a flower with a fruit. They're also very famous for being tenacious little beasts of weeds because the taproot system. Now, as you can see, I pull using the wealth of my quarantine strength. I can only get the very top of the taproot. Taproots are actually used for getting nutrients from deeper soil, but they're also very annoying because unless you pull it out all the way, the darn thing will just grow back, and that's what makes them very tenacious weeds. And this will conclude Michael telling you about plants in quarantine. Come back next week and I'll probably have to tell you about animals.